Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 09 June 2018, 05 of hour, 25 of minute and 55 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is there a reset button on MacBook Pro? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is there a reset button on MacBook Pro. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is there a reset button on MacBook Pro. Once your files are backed up, shut down your MacBook Pro. Plug it into the AC adapter and then boot it back up. Finally, press and hold Command R, the Command and R keys at the same time, to start the restore process. Hold these keys until the Apple logo appears on the screen, and then release them. Last update December 11, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.